Hello students, welcome to our video number 4, An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan. In this video, we are going to do brainstorming remaining question answer.
Now next question number 4. Okay, children, pay attention. This is what? Read the following sentence. This question. Read the following sentence and find out. What you have to find out? True or false sentence. Correct the false sentences. What you have to do? Which one is correct sentence? Which one false? And this sentence from where? From our left side. See, the astrologer gave a correct prediction to the client about his past, that he was stepped through into a well and left for dead. What? Where what they say? Astrologer ने क्या किया? Correct prediction किया. क्या prediction किया? Client. Who is the client here? Guru Nayak is a client. He said, astrologer say regarding the past. उसने past के बारे में correct prediction किया. He was stepped and thrown into the well. वो क्या हो गया? When night passed, he was not in conscious and he thrown into the well. For what purpose? Left for dead. This is given ना. क्या किया था? एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने उसको फेंक दिया था उसमें मरने के लिए. So this is what? True sentence. Okay. Next one is what? Correct है तो true. When the astrologer came to know that the man who he killed is alive, he felt that he was relieved of his guilt. Alive. What he say? When the astrologer came to know, जब astrologer को पता चलता है that the man who he killed is alive, जब astrologer को पता चलता है जिस इंसान को उसने मार दिया था वह जिंदा है, he felt that he was relieved of guilt. Because after killing Guru Nayak, after passing the knife and throwing into the well for a dead, astrologer left from over there, that village. So he thought that person is dead and he feel guilty also because that things how he done. That time he is young, he drunk. So unconscious. He is not in a conscious. He don't know what is the right and wrong. That time he done. So when he come to know what he done wrong, he feel what too much guilty. He is a murderer person. But now he come to know कि जिस person को उसने मारा था, that person is alive. So what he feel from guilt, अपने guilt से वो क्या हो गया? उसको relief हो गया. Now the astrologer tried to back out of the deal and talked about the client's past. Astrologer what? He tried to astrologer tried to back out the deal. क्या वो अपनी deal से बाहर आ रहा था? And talk about the client past. वो अपने deal से बाहर आ रहा था. बाहर आने के लिए वो client के past के बारे में बात कर रहा था. क्या what is the कि astrologer is not talking about the past. Why? Because he want to come out from the deal. No, it is false. He don't want to come out the deal because his demand, the deal is got done. So he don't want to come out because he know everything regarding the Guru Nayak. So what here correct sentence is? The astrologer demanded more money to tell about the client past. Astrologer क्या क्यों ये कर रहा था client से? Because he want more money from the client, right? The astrologer demanded more money to tell about the client's past. क्या किया कि तुम्हारे past के बारे में बताने के लिए उसने क्या किया? गुरु नायक के उसने ज्यादा मनी को डिमांड किया. Next, the astrologer rescued himself from Guru Nayak's revenge. Okay, astrologer what he rescued? How he rescued? He says false. What he says false? The person who killed you, the person who had killed you, the person who had killed you, that person is what? 4 months ago he died by the accident. So what? This forecast doing what he is doing? He is rescued. वो अपनी क्या कर रहा है? रेस्क्यू कर रहा है. डेंजर से अपने को बचा रहा है. रिवेंज से बचा रहा है कि नहीं तो गुरु नायक क्या करेगा? वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर से रिवेंज लेगा. तो he make him rescue. He make come out from the danger. So Guru Nanak cannot take the revenge. That's why he rescued himself. And this is what? True. Now next is given. The moral of the story is that we must be responsible about what we have done and should not run away from our mistake. What is the moral of the story? R.K. Narayan written this story. In among of this story is what? The moral of the story is what? Whatever we done, children, whatever things we done, huh? That is what we must be responsible. उसके लिए हमें must be जिम्मेदार होना चाहिए. Responsible होना, जिम्मेदार होना. We must be responsible for that. And what we have done and should not run away. जो भी हमने किया उससे क्या करना चाहिए? उस गलती से भागना नहीं चाहिए. These things we learn from this story. And this sentence is what? Absolutely correct. So this is what true. Now see, some questions are given. The astrologer has changed his appearance and his persona. Persona means personality. When he arrived in the city, give the specific reason. Astrologer come when he passes the knife from the Guru Nayak, and he thrown the Guru Nayak into the well and left to die. So that time why he changes persona. How he changed? He become an astrologer. These all questions answer you can get from the textbook. You have to go through the lesson and you try to write the answer. See, I can explain the question. I try to explain the question. The astrologer has changed his appearance. अपना जो getup था वो उसने क्या किया? And his persona. चेंज करता है वो अपना अपीयरेंस और पर्सोना when arrive in city with a specific reason. इसका रीजन बताओ. Why once upon a time astrologer living in the Guru Nayak village, and that time what? He is a very young person. He is a drunkard and playing gambler, and that time he is fighting with the person, and that fighting he passes the knife to the Guru Nayak and he threw it into the well and left over there to die. And because of that, he done the mistake. When he come in a conscious, he realized their mistake and guilt. He feel too much guilty, and that's why to make set from a danger, he run away from the city and he arrived the another city. Okay, and that's why he changed the getup. कि कोई मुझे पहचान लेगा, so I will be in danger. Next question was given. The darkness load that was inside the astrologer had disappeared. Through this sentence, explain the significance of the title astrologer. What? The darkness load that what inside the astrologer had disappeared. Astrologer क्या छिपाने की कोशिश कर रहा है? The darkness load. Darkness जो load कर रहा है, what he want to disappear. He want to what astrologer had disappeared. Through this sentence, what you can understand, explain significance of the title. What is the importance of this title? You can explain. So these, I think 3, 4. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These questions are for homework. Okay. Next question. What is given? The astrologer feel relief that Guru Nayak is not dead, as it relieves a great burden from him. Critically justify the statement. This question. Next one, this also for assignment. The astrologer gets the sympathy of criticism of the reader in the end. Express your opinion. This all personal response question. You have to try to find from the textbook. You try to write own self. If anyone not able to write, not understood, then you can ask me by WhatsApp. Okay, my number, you have to send me a doubt and I will solve. If we have to eradicate the superstition and other ill practice from our society, what step would you like? This is also personally very important questions. In the story, astrologer has a great listening power. Listening helps in developing good relation with people. Express all this also personal response question. Now, next question. This question we will do. Okay, this 5 to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 6 question for what? Assignment means homework. They have to do. Read the textbook, go through and try to do. Some questions are personal response. After reading their lesson, you are able to write the answer. See, in the story, the following character reveal their qualities through words and action. Pick out the word that describe them from the box. Write the appropriate column. Now what happened here? Some given. What? How many sentences are given? 6. 6 4 ja 24 words are given. Which words are applicable for the persons? Here what 3 persons given name: astrologer, Guru Nayak and astrologer's wife. Astrologer, here I written astrologer what? He was shrewd person, already given that he is a very clever person, suspicious person, he is a mean person. See, mean why? Because he know he is done. Then also which person he tried to kill. That person also after knowing this, जिसको मैंने मारा था वो सामने है. Then also is what is betting. He tried to take more money from that person. And then what manipulative is what manipulating the people ना innocent people को manipulate करता है उनसे पैसे लेता है. Per question 3 points. Worried. When he come to know, oh, Guru Nanak in front of me. Once time he worried. That's why he say na, he today I am very late. I am too late today. So tomorrow I will discuss with you. He is a very cunning person. And then what? He is what? He is a very cunning person. And next what he will become? Impetuous person, not having patience. That person is. And next what? Skeptical person and mystical. And next is what? He is a very smart. He is smart. That's why he is manipulating other person. If person is not the smart person, he cannot able to manipulate. And next is Guru Nanak is what? Manipulative. Why? Manipulate and manipulative. Manipulative person. Why Guru Nanak? Astrology ने उसको बनाया, वो बन गया. He is also cunning person, Guru Nanak. That's why what? You come over there, चल तू आंसर बताएगा ना. When you are not able to give me a correct answer, you have to give me double money. This cunning person only do this. A shrewd person, लालची भी था, shrewd था, arrogant था. And then what is? He having lot of overconfidence. Overconfidence की वजह से वो astrologer को पहचान नहीं सका. उसका जो culprit था उसको पहचाना क्या? He is not able to identify their culprit. Now astrologer's wife is what? Caring about what? Caring about her children. He worried what? When astrologer is taking late, that they not reach his house on time. So she become what? She become very worried. And he is protective. What? She want to protect their husband. Next is what? Rational. She is what? Very rational. And next what will come? Humanistic. She is what? Humanistic. नहीं तो दूसरा कोई रहता है murderer है, she will run from there. So these all points belongs to the astrologer's wife, and these all from Guru Nanak, and these all thing according to me belongs to the astrologer. Okay, any other thing you can add over there? Next question given. See, you can say match the following column or okay, word given and suffix given. So match the suffix with the word and make noun. One is done for you. See, here word given and suffix given. So with the word we have to what? Add the suffix and make a noun. A new sentence that should be what? That should be noun. One is already done by the in textbook done. So take example and we'll see. Auction given. So what we have to do? Last one. ION we add no. So what? Auction given what? Auction. Double ear. Auctioneer. And then what? Enchant. What will become enchant? MENT given third number. That is enchantment. Then no. No means what? No knowledge will come. Then what is given? Prepare. Prepare what? Preparation. Last one. Then proceed means what? Procedure. BURE. What is procedure? URE. Then appear. Appearance will come. Then remark. Remarkable. Okay, number 1. Now, next question is there. I think understood till 2. Whatever I explained till all. As an astrologer's day has irony element, where the astrologer pretended to have supernatural knowledge that coincidentally turned out to be the truth. Irony means a situation or a statement characterized by a significant difference between what is expected and what actually happened. What actually happened, right? Or between what is understood and what is meant. Find out the example of irony from the story and write them down. One has done for you. See, number one, given some sentences. What they say, this is the story you learn. Astrologer not having no having the astrology knowledge, then also he is showing he is having supernatural power. So he say what situation or statement characterized by the significance and difference between the what expected and actually what happened between, and that you understood means and what is meant that you have to. So this irony given and write down the stories. Now see, first one done for us. First one what given? He knew no more of what was going to happen to other than he knew what was going to happen to himself the next day. Means he no more. Here what? What is the irony? Vidambana kya hai? He become astrologer. He don't know. He is not having knowledge regarding the astrology. And then also he is given what? Forecasting about other. So here what given? First answer what given? He knew no more of what was going on. He don't know. He don't know what is going on and what would be happen to other. Means दूसरे के life में क्या चल रहा है? He don't know. Uh, Actually, what happened? That's why 10 minutes the people says that then he come to know what is going on in others' life. So he don't know what is going on, and he don't know what he don't know. What will be happening all his life? Next minute, what will be happen? That also we don't know. So next I given he had a working analysis of mankind trouble. What he had working analysis. He keep a silent. सो बातें सुनता था तो इंसान क्या होता था उनकी ट्रबल को एनालाइज करके आंसर्स देता था. ही हैड अ वर्किंग एनालिसिस. वो अपने काम जो कर रहा था इतने दिन से उसमें क्या होता था लोगों के ट्रबल्स के बारे में सुनता था और उसको एनालाइज करके वो बोलता था. नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई रिटन आंसर विद इन 5 minutes he understand what was wrong. When the people start the saying, people aate the at that time the astrologer what how the Babaji all close their eyes having the mala and all things is moving like that but didn't say anything. Same way here what astrologer also not says anything. Oh, the people who came वो अपना प्रॉब्लम में है he is so he start that कि कोई मुझे मिले उससे अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को शेयर करूँ. Same way that people are coming in front of the astrologer and they start the sharing their problem. So when they are sharing the problem within 5 minutes, he is a very clever person. He is a very experienced person. So he understood what was going on wrong in the people's life. His speech and prediction are laced with the religious and astrological jargon that he has picked up all through his life. What happened? His स्पीच एंड प्रेडिक्शन जो उसकी बातें थी जो उसकी भविष्यवाणियाँ थी वो क्या करती थी लेस विथ रिलीजियस एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी. वो क्या वर्ड का दैट इज भरी हुई थी व्हाट दैट इज लेस्ड विथ रिलीजन ना रिलीजियस एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी. एंड what he is doing his jargon that he had picked. और वो क्या करता था फटक से उसके अंदर से that he picked up all through his life. और उसमें से क्या करता है ये सब चीजें वो कहाँ से लेके आएगा through his life. अपने जीवन से वह सीखा हुआ था. Right? And because of that he is able to give the answer. This is the irony. He don't know anything, then also because of that he is ready to give the answer. What first of all he don't know. Actually what why here irony say कि irony क्यों है विडम्बना क्यों है because the astrologer don't know the knowledge of astrology and he don't know what is happening next minute in other what will be happen in others life or in future. Even he don't know what will be happen in his own life. And his work is what is analyzing. When he is listening the people's problem, he analyzing and then he is taking an action. Next is what starting 10 minutes is not able to open the mouth. So people are presenting their problems in front of the astrologer. So within 5 minutes he come to know what is the problem and how I have to control the people or manipulate the people. Huh? Then he start the giving speech. So that's why what he and whatever speech and prediction he is doing, that is related with which type of word he is using, related with the religion and astrology he is using. And that's why whatever preach he is giving, that picked up all through his life, means that picked up whatever he is having experienced by their life, through that he is giving that answer, and that's why their answers are what pleased the pleased the innocent people. Next question. In the story many Indian words are used. That is which Indian words? Cowrie cell. This is an example of code mixing. Code mixing. So what he say? Just like cowrie cells. Next one, Indian words means uses. So what he say in story many Indian words are used, that we have to find out other such words from the story and how the cowrie cell written. That is what, that is Indian word. And same he says what, how many words are over there, that words we have to find out from the chapter. So I written here, see, Raja's delicacy. Who said this word? This is what? Groundnut fried. And one day he says Raja's delicacy. Next day say Bombay ice cream. Next day Delhi almond. 3 pies. What? Astrologer. Using what? When I give you one question answer, I will take 3 pies. 8 annas. When what? With Guru Nanak, when he started discussing. So that time what Guru Nanak, how many given? 8 annas. Half anna. Then Jutka driver. Jutka driver means Tange ka driver. Tanga wala ko Jutka driver. This is what Hindi word. That is what Indian words. Lit a chariot, etc. Lit a chariot. Jutka driver, chariot, all things. This is what is the Indian words. Now next question, we go to the question number 5. There are some phrases where the word crown is used in the different sets of meaning. Use the following phrases to complete the sentence meaningfully. One is done for you. What? There is phrases are given where the word crown is used with different sets. Means crown word is what? Common word that is uses each and every sentence. So we have to what? We have to try to use in each and every sentence that phrase which is perfect in the sentence, that we have to use. So first one done what? The crown, to crown the effect, the wand a saffron color turban around his head. Now, next is what given? First one. The works of Shakespeare are dash of English drama. What will be the work of Shakespeare are crown of thrones of English drama. What is Shakespeare is what? He is the father of English literature. That's why what? Shakespeare's word is what? Crown of thorns of English drama. Next is what given? Amitabh had given us away some movies throughout 5 decades. Right? Amitabh Bachchan, that is actor. He is given what? 5 movies, that is given what? Movies, that is what? Very awesome throughout the 5 decades. But his dash in his performance in the movie is black. But he is what? Crowning glory. Which movie? Crown. But crowning glory in his performance is performance in the movie black. What is crowning glory performance is where? In the movie black. Now next is given what? In her pursuit of success, Radha has distanced herself from her family. Her fame has become a real crown of thorn. Crown of thorn. In her pursuit of success, Radha had distanced herself from her fame. His fame become what? Real crown of thorn. Now next is what? They threw a wonderful party for me. Huh? They threw a wonderful party for me with a costume. Hmm? They threw a wonderful party for me with a costume. Games. And that's my favorite kind of ice cream. Which they game and what? Which kind of my favorite? To crown it all. Hmm? To crown it all, my favorite kind of ice cream. Now last one this question. Last phrase. Medical science has great invention, but medical science has great inventions, but organ transplantation is definitely a crown achievement for it. Okay, which organ achievement? It is definitely correct, I think. So what organ? Organ achievement. इट इज़ व्हाट क्राउन अचीवमेंट इन हमने क्या है बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ऑर्गन का अचीवमेंट जस्ट लाइक ऑर्गन सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स यू नो अवयव मराठी में बोलते हैं ऑर्गन्स को जैसे आइस वगैरह का डोनेशन इट इज़ व्हाट क्राउन अचीवमेंट बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 you word usage now question number 4 first word usage use the word given in the bracket and rewrite the sentence right word is given and that is what how the word whatever the word which is given in the bracket that word we have to use in a proper way where we have to use first one word given the power of his eyes was considerably enhanced the power of each eyes was considerably enhanced. So, where we have to write enhancement. So, here what given enhanced. So, this sentence how we have to write. There was considerable enhancement in the power of his eyes. There was considerable enhancement in the power of his eyes. Next word what? Bracket में क्या दिया है? Next में word. So, sentence is what? He had a working analysis of mankind's struggle. He had a working analysis of mankind's struggle. So instead of working, what we have to write? Worked. So यहाँ पर verb जो है उसको change form में लिखना है. हाँ, वहाँ पर enhancement करना था. Noun form में लिखना था first वाले में. हाँ, adverb form किस में था? ये past tense में था. इसको noun form में लिखना था. तो verb था. हाँ, अब यहाँ पर क्या करना है पास्ट टेंस को पास्ट टेंस में लिखना है ये आईएनजी फॉर्म में इसको वर्ब को क्या करना है पास्ट टेंस तो हम क्या लिखेंगे ही हैड वर्कड आउट एन एनालिसिस ऑफ मैनकाइंड स्ट्रगल व्हाट आई डिक्टेड ही हैड वर्कड आउट एंड व्हाई analysis started with a so here article what we have to write an analysis of mankind's struggle. Next word given, he knew what was going to happen to himself next minute happening. So here what instead of happen what we have to write happening. So what will be going on sentence what helping word should be changed right. He knew what could be happening to himself next minute. What is was going to is changed. Instead of that what could be will become. Could be happening to himself next minute. Now next sentence is what D is what? If you find my answers satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? This and what we have to write in satisfactory instead of satisfaction. Satisfaction is what? That is the noun. Satisfactory का noun form क्या है? Satisfaction. So here what we have to write? Satisfaction. So sentence what given? If my answers give you satisfaction. अगर मेरे उत्तर से आपको संतोष है satisfaction करना satisfact करना मतलब संतुष्ट करना. If my answer give you satisfaction, will you give me 5 rupees? Next what is given? He shook his head regretfully. What he shook? But what we have to use regretfully instead of regret means verb we have to use. So here this what suffix we have to remove? F-U-L-L-Y. Fully suffix we have to remove. So what sentence should become? He shook his head with regret. Right? Now next. This needs to be grammar type or any type. This type of question should be in your paper. So please try to solve. Now next sentence given. Listen. It was a bewildering crisscross of light. It was bewildering. Instead of bewildering, ing form, what we have to write? Past tense. Bewildered. So what we have to write? It. Instead of it, what we have written? He. He was bewildered. He was bewildered. See, I-E-D here written, R-E-D. He was bewildered by the crisscross of light. So first of all, what is in active voice form, and we have to write in passive voice form. He was bewildered by the crisscross of light rays. Next, what given? G1. It should have been dead. It should have been dead. If some passer, okay, cursor is not working. I should have been dead if some were passerby had not chanced to peep into. Peep into means andar jhakna. Huh? Peep into means andar jhakna. Peeped into the veil. Exclaimed the other, overblamed by enthusiasm. And enthusiasm means jigyasa. Enthusiasm. So here what? Instead of enthusiasm, what we have to write? Adverb form enthusiastically. Enthusiastically we have to write. So sentence should be become what? I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the veil. Exclaimed the other enthusiastically. Right? Next word given. You tried to kill him. You tried to kill him. So here what? Kill him. To kill him. It is what? Gerund. So we have to write which form? ing form. So you tried. To what we have to remove? This is to be form we have to remove. To kill we have to remove. Instead of that we have to write gerund form. So ऐसे भी आ सकता है. You tried to kill him. Use the gerund form. So what you have to write? You tried killing him. Right? Next one is I will prepare some nice stuff for her. What I prepare? I prepare some nice stuff for her. So what? Instead of prepare, what we have to use? Preparation. Right? So I will make a preparation. So here will become what? I will make a preparation of nice. I will make a preparation of some nice stuff for her. Right? Instead of what? Prepare is what? Verb. Instead of that, what we have to write? Noun form. So what? We have to use some just like I will make. It is what? Actually prepare is which form? Present tense. So it should be also in present. So here are what we have to write? Simple future tense. I will make a preparation of some nice stuff for her. Next is what given? The other groaned on hearing it. The other groaned. दूसरा वाला groaned करना, उससे से चलना. So what we have to write? Instead of hearing, we have to write past and heard. So other groaned. The other groaned when he heard it. The other groaned when he heard it. Okay. This much I given, and this whatever I given 6 question, that is for assignment, and this is also. See next question. Prepare a speech on science and superstition. So speech writing already I taught you in 11th standard. First paragraph, introductory paragraph. Then afterwards you have to give your view regarding the science and superstition. Then afterwards third paragraph is for closing paragraph. This also for your assignment. Next question given. Read the following proverbs. Share your view and expand the idea. Expansion of idea last year I taught. Right? Expansion of idea. So here how many questions given? I think 6 questions given for you. So these all questions you have to try to do, because expand your idea, not more. How much you are able? I think near about 10 to 15 sentence must be you have to write. So first one given what? Action speak louder than words. So first one I explained. The action speak louder than. So see, I'm giving example of teacher. How the action speak louder than words. Now I'm teaching online teaching, not able to do the action anything. So just like I speak, right? When we are with the action in the class, what we by using the chalk, duster, blackboard, by using our action, gesture. So what the sentence that we are what dramatize by the help of action we are dramatize. So what happened? You children without our word, whatever we are speaking louder or any speak whatever we are speaking or reading the sentence with the action when we explain in front of you, then you can understand better. So same way, yeah, we are given action speak louder than the word. So you have to what how I given one example. Same way you have to use the many example, and this way you can master. I think you are able to write. You are very clever. So near about 15 sentence. Then next given the face is the index of the mind. Right now, this also very nice. Next is what? Speech is silver and silence is golden. Speech is silver and silence. Sometimes what happen? शांत रहना ही अच्छा रहता है. That is what golden chance we can say. So here also given. Argument is the worst kind of conversation. What? Where is the word? No need of argument. Sometimes people are doing unnecessary argument. That's why here got written argument is the worst kind of communication. It's better when you are coming to talk and you start the argument. So better what? Don't ask anything. Silently you have to sit and whatever other person say. If you want to listen, listen, or silently you have to go outside. Attitude are the real figures of speech. Attitude. The word it is the real figure of speech. Means वो दिखाता है कि हम क्या है क्या नहीं. So here next given what the wise man has long ears and a short tongue. Wise man what? Here long. जो बुद्धिमान इंसान है उसके कान बड़े होते हैं. वो means बड़े होते हैं means what not big here just like elephant. Means that person can listen more. And short tongue means कम बोलता है और सुनता ज़्यादा है जो भी wise person. Bell Longton has written a collection of wonderful stories which you can read in his book, The Goalkeeper Revenge and Other Stories. Read all the stories and discuss their theme with your partner. So what this is story if you have time. So now lockdown, how you can purchase the Goalkeeper Revenge, this book, storybooks. So if it is available on online, try to read and discuss with your partner online on phone. First, stay home and stay safe, I think. Now, next question given. Read R.K. Narayan's humorous collection of short story and novel. Here are some. Already I told the explanation type. R.K. Narayan's what? The stories are what? Too much humorous. What? That is many more stories given in Malgudi days. Malgudi days already I told it is what imaginary term, but in Malgudi days, what the characters are what Indian character, simple character and realistic characters are there. And there what characters are commenting, but that comment is not affected anybody's life or not affected. So that's why what that becomes what humor. So that's why he given what and now today what each and everybody has a lot of tension. I think each and every people. So what today's demand is what we have to read which type of novel. We read the humorous novel, just like cricket आर.के. नारायण. उससे हमें ह्यूमर भी मिलता है और उससे हमें नॉलेज भी मिलता है और हमारा मन भी शांत होता है. So see some novel name is given 5 novels under the banyan tree, the doctor's work, lovely road, a horse and 2 goats, and Getman's gift. Getman's gift, very nice novel. Already I read it. Old syllabus we have 11th standard old syllabus. This is the novel Getman's gift. So, and next question here, surf the internet, find out the career opportunity in astronomy. Means if you want to do astronomy or anything want to do in astronomy, you can what search out the internet and see astronomy में हम लोग अपना फ्यूचर क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, whatever the opportunity that thing. Okay, thank you for listening me, and my dear children, whatever homework given that you have to do, and story, it is possible on net, then only you read, because um, today is what there is a corona, so because of that we are not able to go outside and purchase the story books. So stay home, stay safe, and good day, children. Thank you.